What is up, guys? BassandCoffee here. Today is a pretty humid day outside, but I don't think we're going to do some fishing today. We're just going to do something special in this episode. I am proud to announce that I am part of Team Piscifun. That's right, guys. I have partnered up with Piscifun, and I'm going to show you one of the reels just in a few seconds. I am happy to be working with them. If you guys like this video, please check out the links below. Check out the reels. I'm going to show you this reel right here, and there's a link below, so that way you can check them out. It's pretty dope, dude. It's pretty dope, son. So let's get started. We're out here behind a river with no fish. Go figure, a river with no fish. But anyways, let's get to the unboxing. Boom, baby. Piscifun. Go with family, son. But anyways, this is the Piscifun Phantom. Going to read what's out here on the box for you guys in case you guys don't check out the link. It's got 7 ball bearings. Now I ordered left-handed reel because I like to reel with my left and cast with my right. I don't know why people cast with the right and then switch hands to the left hand and reel with the right hand. That doesn't make sense. Go ahead, order the left-handed one. You won't regret it. Dude, it is hot out here. I'm starting to sweat already. Let's read what's outside the box first, because you got to read the back of the book or something like that. You got to read the title, the back of the book, all that good stuff before you read the inside of the book. We got 6 stainless steel ball bearings plus 1 rolling bearing. It's aircraft grade aluminum main gear. It's got 1-piece carbon fiber frame. It's got a dual braking system, centrifugal and magnetic. So that's a thumbs up right there. It's machine aluminum spool. It's triple carbon fiber drag system. So you're gonna be fighting fish. Oh yeah, you're gonna be fighting that fish real good, son. It's got a compact bent extended carbon handle. So I like those carbon handles. Those have a nice feel to it, and they make the reel lighter. So we're gonna go on the other side of the box. Gear ratio, I got the 7-to-1 ratio. My gears, I like to reel real fast, reel the line up real fast. It's got 17 pounds of drag, pretty good. And the best thing about this reel is probably the weight. Guess how much it weighs? Comment below, guys. Guess how much it weighs? Pause this video, comment below. Alright guys, after you paused it and you did the guesses right down there, I'm gonna tell you the answer. It is 5.7 ounces. Damn, son. 5.7 ounces. That is lighter than my loose reel that I have. That is impressive. Now, this thing retails, I don't know how much it retails, but I don't know how much it is, man. I'm gonna look it up right now on Amazon. $70 right here. But if you use this discount code on the main website, BassandCoffee 15, you can get extra 15% off right there. $70 minus 15%. You do the math. I don't know how to do math. Psh, enough of that. Let's open the inside of this box up. Woo hoo hoo, damn, son. Look at that, guys. Look at that reel. That is awesome. I love this black, matte black with some green accents to it. Pretty dope. I already put line on this because I'm going to test it out on this river. Give it a first cast, first impressions of how it casts and how the brakes work. Stay tuned to the end, you'll see that. First off, this thing is smooth. Damn, son, this thing is smooth as butter. 7 ball bearings. Let's check out the inside. Check out the inside real quick. All you gotta do is pull this knob, turn it downwards, and it'll open up. There we go. It's got some nice numbers right here to change the brakings. You want it loose or tight, it's all in this inside here. And you also can adjust it outside too. Pretty sweet. But all in all, this thing feels super light. I'm gonna test it out on my rod that I brought. We're gonna head out over here and try to give it a cast. But anyways, use the discount code BassandCoffee 15 on the main site to get 15% off this Phantom or any other reels. Let's load this onto the rod. We're gonna give it a cast. Something else that came inside the box is this carrying case. It's pretty sweet. It's got some Piscifun writing on it. Pretty sweet. Let's do some fishing. Boom. Alright guys, change of plans. I'm not gonna be able to cast from here because look at this. That's a long drop right there. Probably gonna get my lure stuck. Let's go head back over to the other spot. Alright guys, I put a longer bomb on here. If you guys don't know how to cast a bait caster, or if this is your first time casting a bait caster, I suggest you put on a heavy lure. This is decent enough, so it'll probably do for now. Plus there's stripers in here, so I might hook up on a striper. I'm gonna start this off like a beginner, so if you don't know how to tighten up your brakes or anything, I would suggest tightening up your brakes all the way to 10. Tighten up the brakes right here. Wait till your lure falls down, like slowly, like barely slowing. See, like that, that's good enough right there. That way you don't get a bird nest. So first cast, I'm trying not to get a bird nest. Yeah, that's pretty bad. It is hot out here, guys. It's freaking humid and hot. I am done with this review unboxing. Hope you guys have a great day. Be sure to check out Piscifun Phantom reels. They are gonna be lit. They're probably the best bang for your buck for that quality. Thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Go check out Piscifun on Instagram. Go check out their products on Amazon, their website, everything in the description below. Until next time, I'm BassandCoffee, and we're out, y'all.